I got this respirator and goggles set sent to me at no cost for the purpose of this review. Let's go ahead, take this thing out of the bag and check it out. All right, so in the package, we get this nice set of goggles. Protect your eyes, got some good foam around them, looks pretty nice. You're gonna get 2 dust filters that are on the outside with 2 dust filter caps. You're gonna get 2 higher quality filters to keep out even finer particles. And then of course you're gonna get the mask. These pieces here screw onto that. These clip on the outside of that. This right here is pretty nice. It's got a really nice silicone kind of feel to it. And it's got a strap that goes behind the back of your neck, and this goes behind the back of your head. So it should strap on pretty well, and you should be able to, of course, adjust it to make it feel comfortable to you. Let's go ahead and try it on. All right, so to put this on, you just put this over your face like this. Put this back behind your head. I've already pulled these straps here to tighten it to the length that I want. Then you've got the bottom straps down here. You wrap that behind your neck. It's got these little plastic clips right here on both ends. Again, I've already set how I want it done. On the back, there's just a clip, and you push that little part of the clip through it, and then it goes around the back of your neck. Slightly adjust it, you know, however you feel comfortable with, but you need to have a good seal around your nose, all the way around the bottom of your head. Then, for eye protection, you take these goggles, wrap them behind the back of your head first, then put them around your face. So now my eyes are protected well, and I can already feel the diaphragm in here, relieving the air pressure as I breathe out, and I have no problem breathing in or letting air out. Fits well, I can breathe well in it, I can see really well out the goggles. It comes with everything you need to get started using the respirator, the filters that you need, and all the straps. So yeah, I think it's a good little kit, and if this is what you're looking for, should do quite well. All right, so I hope this video was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.